Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Don't waste your money on hiking gear that's no good. I've already done that for you. Here's my trail tested best hiking gear list. I only recommend hiking gear that I've used over hundreds of miles. I don't do any paid or sponsored reviews, and I don't waste your time with gear that doesn't make the cut. This is only the good stuff. From tents and packs to footwear and rain jackets, below is the most detailed hiking gear information on the internet. These are our picks for the best hiking gear in the market. Find the best hiking and outdoor essentials right here. We've got your ultimate gear list covered for your next day, weekend, or through hike trip, whether you're hitting the backcountry or the local front country. See our top hike and camp gear picks, including price comparisons, in any outdoor product category, backpacks to tents, sleeping bags to pads, camp stoves to cookware and food, knives to multi-tools, lights to navigation and electronics, trekking poles to water treatment, even dog gear.
The men's Arete Mid Waterproof delivers technical, streamlined trail performance designed to go the distance. This medium volume fitting mid is narrow in the heel to eliminate slippage, reducing the chance for blisters. A wider forefoot and toe box provides ample room for your toes. This technical mid features seamless, no-sew construction and a breathable water-resistant mesh upper. TPU overlays and a sculpted rubber toe cap provide durability and support, while the asymmetrical lacing cage delivers superior comfort and fit. At Oboz, every B-Dry waterproof breathable membrane is tested to be 100% waterproof. This mid is also treated with a durable water-repellent finish. Our proprietary O-Fit insole is made up of 3 different densities of EVA foam, low-density EVA pods, medium-density EVA throughout, high-density EVA sculpted arch and heel cup. All provide cushioning and support with the goal of placing the foot in the neutral position. Our Tempest midsole features the A3 chassis, a set of active design features resulting in a supportive and lightweight midsole. Independent TPU stabilizers provide torsional rigidity, flex, and support for natural articulation. The integrated shank reduces weight while providing proper support and flex points. The ESS forefoot plate mitigates overflexion and protects from stone bruising, while the single-density EVA throughout provides cushioning and comfort. Our Tempest outsole reduces weight without compromise, featuring multi-directional and perimeter lugs for traction and active flex grooves for freedom of movement. Go faster and farther with the lightweight, trail-tackling technology of the men's Arete Mid Waterproof.
The Katadyn Hiker Pro is a high-performance, lightweight water filter built for quick and efficient use in the backcountry. Lightweight is your demand, but pumping performance is also a must. It includes quick-release fittings for a direct attachment to your hydration pack. The Hiker Pro is easy to use in any water source, whether it's a lake, river, or stream. Simply place the pre-filter in the water source and pump to provide safe drinking water right into your hydration tube. The Hiker Pro uses high-technology pleated glass fiber filtration. The filter protector is easily cleaned for longer life and faster water flow. The built-in carbon core reduces chemicals and makes water taste like it should. The Hiker Pro is ultra-compact and lightweight at only 11 ounces and is the best choice for an ultra-light backpacking water filter. It filters at high capacity and is easy to use and performs in a variety of field conditions. In a new transparent color, it's performance you can see.
Hi, I'm Brendan Perkins, Lighting Category Director at Black Diamond, and this is the Spot 350 headlamp. With an amazing full feature set, high lumen output, and intuitive 2-button architecture, the Spot is a premium headlamp that's ready for any big adventure. You'll notice that the Spot has a 3-lens configuration, each providing unique options to fulfill a wide variety of lighting needs. The distance beam was optimized for active situations, while the proximity beam is perfect for around camp and while reading. Our third beam includes a red LED for times when preserving your night vision is necessary. The Spot headlamp utilizes brightness memory to come on in your previously selected mode and brightness setting. To turn on, press the large main button on the top of the headlamp once. Our 6-setting 3 LED battery meter located on the side of the front housing indicates the level of battery life remaining. You can brighten and dim the light within any mode by holding down the main button. Let go when your desired level of brightness is reached. If you want maximum brightness at any point, just tap the right side of your headlamp to engage Power Tap. To easily switch between your multiple lens options, we've added a secondary mode selector button. In order to use the strobe mode at any point, double-click the main button, and whatever mode you are in will strobe. Powered by 3 AAA cells, the Spot can run off of the included alkaline batteries, or can utilize nickel metal hydride or lithium batteries as well. Our digital lockout feature safeguards against accidental use when stored in a pack or pocket. To lock your headlamp while it's off, hold down both buttons for 3 seconds. To unlock, hold down again for 3 seconds. With a submersible waterproof rating of IPX8, each headlamp is individually tested to ensure operation at 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. If submerged, open the battery compartment and allow it to completely dry out before your next use. With woven elastic headbands in both perforated and solid designs, you'll be sure to find a color and headband combination to fit your individual needs. As you can see, the Spot is an amazingly versatile headlamp with a stunning design and intuitive user interface.
Hi, I'm Matt from Osprey, and I'm here to tell you about the Talon and Tempest Pro. Talon and Tempest Pro offers upgraded durability and weight savings with Osprey's NanoFly fabric and design enhancements, making it perfect for full-day technical pursuits or light and fast missions. It's designed to optimize stability during committing adventures such as bike packing or alpine climbing, while maintaining ventilation and comfort. The Talon Pro comes in 30 and 20 liters, while the Tempest Pro comes in 28 and 18 liters. These packs are designed to have a close-to-body fit that moves with you, thanks to the BioStretch harness, continuous wrap hip belt, and injection-molded Ridge Foam AirScape back panel. We've also designed the Tempest Pro with women-specific fit in mind. The Talon Tempest Pros are constructed with both ultra-lightweight NanoFly and quality Blue Sign approved recycled high-tenacity nylon. The Talon and Tempest Pro packs have all the features you need to achieve your outdoor objectives, including a top panel external zipper / pocket, an internal zippered mesh pocket with key clip, easy access expandable stretch mesh harness pocket, a large stretch woven front panel pocket, tuckaway ice axe attachments with bungee tie-off, dual upper and lower side compression straps, stretch woven side pockets, an external hydration reservoir sleeve, dual zippered fabric hip belt pockets, lid lock bike helmet attachment, and a blinker light attachment. The Talon Pro 30 and Tempest Pro 28 feature a wide mouth bucket style main compartment opening for easy access to your most important gear. The Talon Pro 20 and Tempest Pro 18 have dual zippered panel access and lid lock bike helmet attachment for added convenience on multi-sport adventures. The Talon and Tempest Pro packs put just the right technology on your back so you can achieve all of your backcountry goals.
Let me introduce you to the InReach Mini. If you want peace of mind in potentially disastrous situations, the InReach Mini is for you. It's a lightweight, compact, global satellite communicator with GPS designed for adventures where size and weight matter and when you're away from cell phone coverage. So let's get cracking. In typical InReach fashion, the InReach Mini lets you do two-way text messaging. Guys, did you hear that? I just said two-way text messaging. That's right, with two-way text messaging, you can send and receive text messages through the 100% global Iridium satellite network, and no cell service is required. Now that's something worth texting home about. And for more convenient texting, you can download the free EarthMate app to your smartphone or mobile device. By doing that, you can use your phone to send and receive your text messages via satellite when paired with the InReach Mini. After all, texting with our phone is what we know and feel most comfortable with. The EarthMate app also allows you to maximize your adventures with access to unlimited maps, online trip planning, waypoint dropping, and more. Once maps are downloaded to your mobile device, cell service is not required to navigate. In addition to two-way messaging, if necessary, you can trigger an interactive SOS to GEOS, the 24/7 Search and Rescue Monitoring Center. Once you've triggered a distress signal, you can expect a delivery confirmation from GEOS that help is on the way. They will notify the proper contacts and emergency responders in your area, and you will be continually updated on the status of your response team. And since the inReach Mini has an onboard GPS, they will know your exact position, getting you the assistance that you need when you need it. Speaking of onboard GPS, the inReach Mini also has location tracking and sharing features, allowing you to track and share your location with family and friends. Now, they can be part of your adventure without being on your adventure. But wait, it gets even better. The inReach Mini also has wireless unit-to-unit connectivity. This allows you to remotely control the inReach to send and receive messages using a compatible connected Garmin device such as the Instinct or Fenix, for example. You can even initiate an SOS right from your watch or other compatible device. If you would like a full list of the compatible Garmin devices, visit our website at www.garmin.com. We all know how critical the weather is and how fast it can change on your adventure. So with the inReach Mini, you can get weather forecasts on the go. You'll be able to get weather for your current location, waypoints, or any destination on your itinerary. This optional weather forecast service provides detailed updates directly to your inReach Mini or paired mobile device, and you have a choice between basic or premium weather packages to fit your needs. Basic weather gives you a 48-hour weather forecast, and premium weather gives you a 7-day weather forecast. Now, to access the Iridium network and all of these connected features such as two-way messaging, SOS, and weather, an active satellite subscription is required. Depending on your usage, you can opt for an annual contract package or a flexible month-to-month airtime plan. So keep an eye out for future videos where we'll go in depth on the various subscription plan options. The inReach Mini does so much in such a small package. I mean, we call it Mini for a reason. The inReach Mini weighs in at a whopping 3.5 ounces or 99 grams. That's right, it's less than half the weight of our other inReach devices. This thing is light, and it has the battery life to back it up. This bad boy comes with an internal rechargeable lithium battery. You'll get up to 50 hours of battery life in the 10-minute tracking mode. Now keep in mind that your battery life may vary depending on your personalized settings. The inReach Mini comes in orange or black. And for all of you boaters out there, it's also offered in a marine bundle that includes a flotation lanyard, 12-volt power cable, and marine mount. So no matter your adventure, if you need a small, lightweight, and portable satellite communicator that lets you stay in touch with friends and family, you need one of these. Travel lighter, communicate smarter with the Garmin inReach Mini.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.